Hello everybody, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Alright, so I'll start by giving this a quick shuffle. Doesn't really matter, just as long as it's random. Alright, so once you have your cube shuffled, you're going to want to find the white centerpiece, because we're going to be making the white cross to start, which is these pieces, all white. And to do that, you want to go on the bottom of your cube where the yellow centerpiece is, see if there's any white pieces in these positions, and I do have one right here, and the other color is orange, so you want to find the orange centerpiece, which is right here. And once you have those aligned, you want to bring this side up like this, so that you have this aligned. And now it doesn't look like I have any more whites, so if you have a white piece in this position, you can bring it to the bottom by going like this, and then you see it's green, so you connect it with the green, which it already is, then you just bring it up. Now you have this, and now there's another one in this position. You want to make sure it's facing you, and then just bring it down, and it's a red piece, so you want to find the red centerpiece, connect it, bring it up, and now you have a piece right here. What you can do to bring that one to the bottom is move it over, bring it down, remember to bring this back up so that it stays aligned, and now you have it on the bottom, blue connected to the blue, then bring it up. You now have a white cross. When you're here, you may have white pieces on the top, and to get those to the bottom, you just go like that, and then you have it on the bottom, connect it, bring it back up. Alright, so now once you have the cross, we're going to get all of these pieces to be white and in their correct position. They don't matter what color they are when you start. So you want to go to your bottom corners and see if you have any white pieces, like this one. So it looks like I have two. Once you have them in this position, you want to look at this piece and this piece to see what colors they are, and put them in between their correct center colors. So blue and orange, you put it between blue and orange, and if it's in the bottom left corner, you bring it to the right, bring the left side down, bring it back, and bring it up, and now you have these all aligned. And now we'll see if we have any other pieces. We do. This is red and blue, and it's actually in the right spot right now, the red and blue, so it's in the left side. So you bring it over to the right, bring the left side down, bring it back over, bring it up. Now you have these pieces, and now we don't have any more. So if you have a piece right here, you look what side it's on, and then you can go like this, bring this side down, bring it over until you can see it, bring this side back up, so you keep this, and now you have this piece right here. So green and orange. So here's green, and here's orange. So it's now on the right side, so you bring it to the left, bring the right side down, bring it back, and bring it up. So now you have this, and if you have another piece like this, you can just find the green and red. So we have green and red. Bring it, because it's on the left, bring it over to the right, bring the left side down, replace it, bring it up. Now you should have the full white side with all of these correct color. Alright, so if you have a white piece that's on the bottom and you need to put it in, you put it under the unused one, bring it like that, bring it until you can see it, and then bring this side back up and see what colors, blue and orange. So you bring it over, and now it's on the left, so bring it to the right, left side down, replace it, bring it up. Now you have them all. In the next step of solving the cube, we're going to get all of these to be the correct colors. So you want to go to the bottom and see if you have any of these pieces without yellow on them. So this one has yellow, so you don't want to use this one. This one doesn't have yellow, so you can use it, and it's green and orange. You want to make sure this piece is lined up with its correct center color. So you put it like that, then you see what this color is, and you're going to want to move it to the opposite direction. So you move the bottom side to the other way. If it's going to the right, you bring the left side down, you bring it back over, bring the left side back up, and now you're left with this. So you bring it, you see what side it's on, and then you just put it back in, so it's on the right. So you move to the left, right side down, back, and up, and now this is correctly orientated. Alright, so if you're in this step of solving the cube, and you have something that looks like this, where there isn't one of these without yellow, so you have yellow on all of them, then what you want to do is whichever side you want to do it on, so let's just do this one, because we want to get this piece down to one of these. So we'll bring this side down, and then over, back up, and then because you have this piece right here, you're going to want to put it back in. So bring it to the right, because it's on the left, left side down, bring it back, bring it up, and now there's a yellow here, which means there has to be one without a yellow piece here. So we see the red, and then green's on this side, so we move it to the right, bring the left side down, bring it back like that. Now we have to put this back here, so we put it in like that. Now there's another yellow, so we figure out where it is right there. It's green and orange. Line it with the green centerpiece. It's on the left side, so you bring it to the right, left side down, bring it like that, and then put it back in, and now you should be at this point. Once you have this second layer done, you want to flip the cube over now so that you see the yellow centerpiece. And if you have something that looks different than mine, just wait. It'll either have one yellow here, here, and here, or you could have a line like this. Just wait, I'll get there. But if you have it like me, you're going to want to go bring this face over to the left, bring this right side up, turn it to the left, bring the right side back down, bring this side back, and now bring it back down. So you maintain this, and now you have something that looks like this. If you have something that looks like this, you're going to have one side facing towards you, one line facing toward you, and one facing to the right. Then you do that same thing. You bring this face to the left, bring the right side up, turn it like that, right side back down, turn it back so that these three line up, and then bring this face back so that you have this. And now you'll have a line going across. You want to hold it like this to you. Do that same thing. Bring that side up, this side up, over, down, back. So you have that. Bring it down, maintaining that. And now you have the yellow cross. Once we have the yellow cross, we're going to align these to be the same color. So you can see that none of them are right now. So you just turn the face until you have at least two of the colors being the same. In this case, I have this and this. If you have it like me, then follow along with what I'm doing. If you don't, just wait a second and I'll get to what you have. So if you have it like this, you have one facing toward you and one facing away. Then you do this algorithm. You go up on the right side, over twice, down on the right side, back over, up on the right side, back over, and then down. At this point, you should have these two facing correctly, and then these two are bad. So you hold the two wrong ones, one toward you and one to your right, then do that same algorithm. You go up on the right side, over twice, down on the right side, back over, up on the right side, back over, and then down. And now all of them should be wrong, so you just move it once, and now all of them should be the right colors. Alright, so once we have all of these aligned correctly, you want to see if these corners are in their correct place, and if they're not, get them in the correct place. If they are, then you're good. But to check if they are in the right place, you look at these three colors. For example, this one has green, red, and yellow. So green, red, and yellow. So this one's in its right place. This one has yellow, blue, and orange. Yellow, orange, but not blue, so this one isn't in the right place. This one has blue, red, and yellow. Blue, yellow, but not red, so this one isn't in the right place. This one has orange, green, and yellow. As you can see, it's not in the right place. You'll usually have either 1 or 0 in the right place. And if you're, in my case, you hold it with the right one in the bottom right corner. And if you have 0, you can hold it however you would like. Just making sure the yellow side is facing up. And then you do this algorithm. You go up on the left side, over to the left, bring the right side up, bring it back over, so you have this, bring it down, and now you need this, so you bring it back over to connect the white, so you have that. And now these will be messed up, but you just move it once, and if it's not good again, the right corner will be in the same position, and you either have to do it once or twice. In my case, I have to do it twice. You'll never have to do it more than twice. So then you do that same algorithm. You go up on the left side, over on the top, up on the right side, back over on the top, down, back over, down. All of them are messed up. Just give it one turn, and now they should all be in the right spot. Just take a quick check. So this one obviously is. This one, orange, blue, yellow. Orange, blue, yellow. So this one is. This one's obviously in the right spot. And then red, green, yellow. Red, green, yellow. So that's in the right spot. If you have something that looks like mine now, you hold it with this yellow piece facing to your right, and then this one facing this way. And then you're going to do this algorithm. Up on the right side, over twice, down on the right side, back over, up on the right side, back over, and then down. Without changing your grip, you want to bring the left side up, top over, twice, down on the left side, top over this way, up on the left side again, bring it back, now down, and now you should have something that looks like this, with these two pieces facing this way. If you have it like this, then you hold it how I'm showing you with the two yellows facing to your right. Do that same algorithm, up on the right side, over twice, down on the right side, back, up on the right side, back, and then down. Without changing your grip, you go up on the left side, over twice, down on the left side, over again, up on the left side, over again. And now the cube should be solved. If you have something that looks like this with a yellow piece here and a yellow piece here, you're going to want to go up on the left side. You're going to want to hold it like this, face one yellow facing you, one yellow facing away, up on the right side, over twice, down on the right side, back over, up on the right side, back over, down without changing your grip, up on the left side, over twice, down on the left side, over again, up on the left side, over again, bring it down, and now you'll have this again. So you're just going to go up on the right side, over twice, down, back, up, down, back. Yep, and then just cube solved. If you have something that looks like this, with two yellows like this, and then two yellows facing that way, you don't want to hold it like this. You're going to want to hold it like this so that you only have to do this algorithm once on both sides. Otherwise, you'll have to do it twice on both sides if you're holding it like this. So you go up on the right side, over twice, down on the right side, back over, up on the right side, back over, down, up on the left side, over twice, down, over again, up on the left side, over again, and down, so that you have all of these now in the right position. And now you have these with the two yellows facing out, so you go up on the right side, over twice, down, back over, up, back over, and down, left side, up, over twice, down, over, up, over, down. If your cube looks like this, with three sides not looking right and one looking good, you hold the good one on your bottom left side, and then do that same algorithm. So you go up on the right side, over twice, down, back over, up, back over, down, without changing your grip, up on the left side, over twice, down, over again, up, over again, and down. Now you either have something that looks like this, or with the two yellows facing one toward you and one away from you like this. If it's like this, once again, you hold it with the yellow going to the right, and then this one going like this. You go up, over twice, down, back over, up, over, down, without changing your grip. You go up, over twice, down, back, up, down like that, and then you have this like this. And now you should be able to solve the Rubik's Cube from any random shuffle.